Easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Gaming lounges are social hubs where enthusiasts gather to play video games on high-end PCs, consoles, or virtual reality platforms. With esports on the rise and an ever-growing demand for immersive gaming experiences, launching a gaming lounge can be a lucrative venture. Leveraging free AI tools can significantly reduce startup costs and streamline business planning, branding, marketing, and operations. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you launch a gaming lounge business using the power of AI. Step 1. Define your business concept. Start by clearly defining what your gaming lounge will offer. Will it focus on competitive esports, casual gaming, VR experiences, or a combination? Use ChatGPT to brainstorm and refine your concept by entering a prompt such as, act as a business consultant. Help me define a unique concept for a gaming lounge in city. Suggest features, target audience, and competitive advantages. ChatGPT can help you analyze trends and niche markets. For visual concept ideas and interior layouts, use ideogram.ai or Bing Image Creator to generate mood boards and visual inspirations. Step 2. Conduct market research and feasibility study. Use ChatGPT and Google Bard to simulate a market analysis. Prompt. Create a simple market research report for a gaming lounge in city. Include information on competitors, demographics, potential customer demand, and pricing models. To assess startup costs and break-even analysis, prompt ChatGPT with, help me create a financial feasibility study for a gaming lounge business. Assume startup capital of $50,000 and include cost estimates, projected monthly revenue, and expenses. For deeper insights, use Perplexity.ai to gather local business data, gaming trends, and customer behavior in your area. Step 3. Develop a business plan. A well-structured business plan will guide your strategy and attract investors or loan approvals. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Write a full business plan for a gaming lounge startup. Include executive summary, market analysis, services offered, marketing strategy, operations plan, and financial projections. Refine the draft in Notion AI to organize your plan with clean formatting and embedded visuals. Export it as a PDF to present to banks or partners. Step 4. Choose a legal structure and register the business. Choose whether your gaming lounge will be a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. For basic guidance, prompt ChatGPT. What are the pros and cons of forming an LLC versus a sole proprietorship for a gaming lounge in state? Use Do Not Pay AI to generate templates for basic legal documents like partnership agreements or NDAs. Then register your business through your local Secretary of State's website. Step 5. Select a location and plan the layout. The success of a gaming lounge often depends on accessibility and environment. Use Google Maps and online real estate platforms to identify high-foot traffic areas. Once you shortlist spaces, use RoomGPT.io or Interior AI to visualize how each space could be transformed into a vibrant gaming lounge. For prompts, try, generate an interior layout for a 1,200 square feet gaming lounge with 10 PC stations, 5 console stations, a VR area, and a snack bar. Step 6. Source equipment and furniture. Build a list of gaming PCs, consoles, gaming chairs, and furniture you'll need. Use ChatGPT to compare brands and recommend cost-effective setups. What are the best gaming PC builds for under $1,000 in 2025 suitable for a commercial gaming lounge? For inventory and cost tracking, use Trello or Airtable AI to create an interactive checklist and budget tracker. Step 7. Design your brand identity. Your lounge's brand should appeal to the gaming community and reflect the experience you offer. Use Loca, free version, to generate a logo or ask ChatGPT with. Generate brand name and tagline ideas for a gaming lounge targeting teens and young adults. Include futuristic or tech-themed names. For color schemes and design templates, turn to Canva AI, which allows you to create logos, signage, and digital posters. Prompt example. Create a futuristic logo and social media banner for a gaming lounge called Nexus XP. Step 8. Plan and launch your marketing campaign. Use ChatGPT to create a marketing plan by prompting. Write a 3-month digital marketing strategy for launching a gaming lounge. Include social media campaigns, influencer outreach, local promotions, and referral programs. Then use CapCut or Runway ML to create engaging promo videos with free AI-powered editors. For graphics and flyers, continue using Canva AI. To generate daily social content, try this prompt. Write 7 creative Instagram posts with captions to promote a new gaming lounge opening next month. Use Buffer or Metrical to schedule posts for free and track engagement across platforms. Step 9. Set up booking and membership systems. For managing customers, memberships, and reservations, use Tidio AI or Chatbase to build a chatbot that handles customer inquiries and bookings via your website or social media. Use JotForm AI to create a simple booking form or build a free website with Wix AI website builder that allows you to integrate payment and schedule management. Prompt. Create a basic website layout and content for a gaming lounge that includes services, pricing, booking system, and contact form. Step 10. Host a grand opening and engage the community. Plan an opening event with tournaments, giveaways, or free gaming hours. Use ChatGPT to create an event plan with this prompt. Help me plan a launch event for my gaming lounge. Include timeline, promotions, prize ideas, and email invitation template. Generate and send free email campaigns using MailerLite AI and invite influencers or local gaming streamers using personalized invites. Encourage early attendees to leave Google reviews and post on social media. Offer discounts for referrals and repeat visits to build loyalty from day one. Conclusion. Starting a gaming lounge business requires vision, creativity, and an understanding of what gamers want in a social space. By using free AI tools like ChatGPT for strategy, Canva AI for design, Wix AI for your website, and Perplexity for research, you can build a competitive gaming hub without breaking the bank. From ideation to launch, each step can be powered and optimized by AI to reduce costs, increase efficiency, and help you deliver an exciting and immersive experience to your customers. With the right tools and a solid plan, your dream of running a gaming lounge can quickly become a reality. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.